Hello everyone, this is Sarvahita, Assistant Professor of MCA Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to discuss a few topics about MC4102 Object Oriented Software Engineering. Here we are going to discuss about the topic challenges of software development in Unit 1. The challenges that are faced by the software developers are enlisted here. The top challenges for the software developer faces are given as changing requirements during the development process brings the challenges for the software developers. Sometimes they won't be able to deal with the changing requirements. Providing complete security to the software applications is a major challenge for the developers as the hackers are trying each moment there are to hack the software applications and steal the data. Sometimes the misinterpreted requirements to give to a problem as a result of software product which fails to give the actual result to the end user. Many times the software developers face the problems during system and application integration leads to the failure of software projects also. Further, the maintenance and upgradation becomes a problem for the software developers for some software projects. Adapting to the latest technology becomes a big challenge for the software developers when they don't have sufficient experience with the latest market trends. Sometimes, when the developers don't get the appropriate project infrastructure for the development and deployment of projects, they face the problems in delivering the product. Getting defects or errors in the product during its last stage creates an unwanted challenge for the software developers. Time limitations play a vital role in the software development. When there is not sufficient time for the development times, the product does not meet the quality standards as the developers work under pressure and output decreases. When a new developer lacks proper communication and coordination with the other developers of the same development team, it creates a problem at some time. It feels like a common problem when one developer works with another developer's code. This situation creates a problem for the developer as it takes a lot of time for the new developer to understand the code. In last, most software developers face this problem if they don't get the required support from the project manager or leader, and sometimes it gets difficult to handle the relationship between colleagues and managers, which in terms decreases productivity. The software developers face a number of challenges in their work. Some of the most common challenges include complexity, maintaining quality, meeting deadlines, keeping up with new technologies, managing changing requirements, etc. So, complexity means the software systems that have become increasingly complex, making it difficult for the developers to understand and manage all the components of the system. Maintaining quality, ensuring the quality of the software systems can be a challenging task as the developers need to account for various factors such as performance, security, and usability. Developers often work under the tight deadlines, which can make it difficult to ensure the quality of the final product. Software development is a rapidly evolving field, and developers must constantly learn new technologies and programming languages to stay current. Software development projects often involve the working with changing requirements, which can make it difficult for the developers to plan and manage their work effectively. Collaborating with other team members such as the project managers, designers, and other developers can be challenging as everyone have different working styles and goals. Debugging software can be time consuming and complex, particularly for large and complex systems. The developers often have to work with the legacy code, which can be difficult to understand and maintain. Developing the software in an distributed environment where the team members are located in different parts of the world can be challenging, and it requires the effective communication and coordination. Balancing short term and long term goals. While developers want to deliver the software as soon as possible, they also want to ensure that the software is maintainable and scalable in the long term. How to face these challenges? The software developers can face these challenges mentioned above by implementing the following strategies. complexity, use the design patterns and architecture principles to simplify the software systems and make it easy to understand and manage. Maintaining quality, use the software testing and quality assurance techniques to ensure the quality of software systems and conduct the code reviews to identify and fix issues early on. Meeting deadlines, use project management techniques such as agile development and Scrum to plan and manage work effectively. Keeping up with new technologies, that is, continuously learn and explore new technologies and programming languages to stay current. Managing changing requirements, use flexible development methodologies such as Agile and Scrum to handle the changing requirements effectively. Use collaboration tools such as communication platforms and version control systems to facilitate effective collaboration.